UPSC has a habit of asking questions where they will pick up certain terms from the constitution and ask you whether this particular term has been defined in the constitution or not. More often than not, these terms would not be defined in the constitution. The reason for that is because constitution is a framework document. How can a framework document be including the definition of some of these terms, such as office of profit, or 2 years back UPSC asked a question on the term efficiency in administration that has been mentioned in Article 335 of the Constitution. Do you even think that it is possible to define something like efficiency in administration? Do you think that it is even possible to define something like office of profit? Office of profit, broadly we can say that it refers to an office where a person is entitled to some kind of remuneration or benefit from the government as a result of holding that office, as a result of which that person's independence may be compromised as a legislator. But it's very difficult to specifically define what we understand by office of profit. So the point that I'm trying to make here is that the lesson that we need to learn from such questions is that UPSC has a habit of asking questions where they may ask you certain terms, and they may ask that whether these terms have been defined explicitly or they have been well defined in the constitution or not. And once you identify whether that particular statement is correct or not, then identifying whether the rest of the question is correct or not will become much easier, because the options in such questions are set in such a manner.